Alright, this could be my review on a 2012 Murray M15542. It's got a 42-inch deck on it. It's a great mower. Hell, when I got it, I picked it up off a guy that still had the price tag on it. Now, the batteries always go bad, you know, whatever, they're 21 bucks, 20 bucks at Walmart. Seat's in perfect shape for being 6 years old. It's got 5 settings. It's got a nice PTO switch right here. It's got 40 volts, neutral, a bunch of gears. It's got 7 gears. What happened with this one, what was why I picked it up, was he told me that his daughter borrowed it, put kerosene in it, ran it, wouldn't run anymore. Well, it'll run on kerosene if it's not pure kerosene. If it's cut, it'll run it. Yeah, it'll get a little hot, but it won't, you know, it won't cause it to stop running. So what I had to do was I changed the fuel filter in it, cleaned out the gas tank, tried starting it. It was backfiring out the exhaust and the carburetor, which made me think, hey, maybe it has a blown head gasket. Tore the whole front end right there off. It's not holding. It's really not. Changed the head gasket. It was like 20 bucks, 25 bucks. And put it all back together. Had to readjust the valves. I think I adjusted them to 5 thousandths or 6 thousandths, something like that. And threw it back on. One of the wing nuts broke. Well, not a wing nut, but the little rocker arm nuts that keep the rocker arm on. Well, it broke. So I'd ordered new, and it was like 10 bucks on Amazon. Yeah, if I can find that part number, I'll throw it in here. If I can't, well, sorry. But just look it up. But the 15.5 horsepower mower, it's a 500cc, runs great. I've had no complaints with it. I only used it twice last year. Basically, I picked it up to sell it. I didn't pay anything for it. The guy just wanted it out of his garage, and I'm gonna sell it today for probably about 400, bucks. It was $1,100, originally. Didn't have to do any, botching on it. I replaced everything like it should be. Runs great, cuts great. It's a fantastic mower. The only blemish it has is right here. When we were loading into my truck the first time when I picked it up, the deck pressed up against it somehow, but it wasn't there. They loaded up and it was, so I'm assuming the deck pressed up against it. But yeah, it's a good mower. It's nice, comfy. Seat's nice. It's got 2 springs in the back. But you can expect some more of this stuff, except I'll actually show you how to fix it, because I didn't have my camera then, and we wasn't really interested in making videos. But now I'm kind of interested in, now that the adpocalypse is over and all that stuff, so I'm gonna start producing some videos. I bought me a Hero 6. Love it. Got a great deal. I'll tell you how I got that deal in another video. But I'll update the video tonight and tell you how much I sold it for. Hopefully I sell for 400. I was asking 7 originally. Nobody bid on it. Then I dropped it down to 5. Got tons of bids on them. So if you're gonna sell more, price it at 400 or 500 bucks. And just start there. But where I'm at, that's right around what you're gonna pay for a good rod mower that's not a piece of junk. I got 2 other mowers over there that I barely use. I got tons of push mowers. I got 2 of them right there. These are bulletproof. I love them. The Murray 3.5 horsepower boys and stripe motors, fantastic. Easy to work on, easy to maintain. Don't have to do anything with them. But yep, hopefully it should be going today, and I'll let you guys know how it goes.